Do you like spending time with your partner, family? That's a big one. That's a very big one. That's a very big one. That's a very big one. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'll be asking some questions and you guys are going to put the answers in the comment section. Okay? Yes guys. So yes guys, I write some questions in this phone. Well, I'm going to ask, so you know, I remember everything. I have 22 questions that I'll be working with. So let me go ahead and look for those questions to ask you guys. One minute guys. Okay. So let's go into it. You know, we have a whole bunch of questions right here. So yes guys, I'm not gonna tell you all my thoughts, but when you guys comment, I will comment back on what you guys say. Okay, so the first one is, who pays the bill, the man or the woman? Meaning, when you go out to eat or in the house, who pay the bill? Who not think responsible for the bill? You understand? And if you guys are going to say man is responsible to pay the bill, please give me a valid point why man is responsible to pay the bill. Okay? Okay? Okay. So let's move to the next question. As I say, I'm not going to my thoughts, I'm going to hear phone thoughts. Then when I hear my thoughts, I'm going to comment on it, or I'm going to just do a different video. You know? Okay. So the next one is, what's your first impression about your partner? What's your first impression about your partner? That one is a solid one. You know? Yeah. I'm not going to my impression. Because on more on comments. And make sure say on watch out the whole video. You know? And please guys, don't forget to subscribe. When you watch the video, subscribe. The number one rules is to subscribe. Okay? Yes. That's the number one rule. Subscribe. I'm fat. Yes, I'm fat. Okay. Question number 3 is, what did you like or love about your partner? Meaning, when you just meet the guy, what did you like about him? What you love about him? Why you chose to talk to him? What did you like or love about him when you chose to talk to your partner? You know? Yes. Alright. Number 3. How did your relationship start? How did your relationship start? I know a lot of people don't want to ask me that. So guess what? You see, if you don't want to ask me all of that, we're going to do a Q&A after this video here. Okay? Because I know most of these things you don't want to ask me. You know? So how did your relationship start? Yeah. Are you still happy with the intimacy that you share with your partner? Like you still share, you know, you might do with somebody for a couple of years. Are you still happy with everything? Has nothing changed? I want to know. and comment down, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Curvyless. You know, because I'm coming with a lot of stories and questions, Q&As and everything for you guys. You know my page come with a mixture of everything, whether if I'm gonna cook or I eat or something. Yes, guys. The next one is remember the ask about intimacy. Alright. The next one then. Have you start to do something because your partner influenced you to do it? Like, have you started to do something good or bad because your partner asks you to do it? This one, I know so I don't want to do a Q&A after this one. So I'm just have to comment for one, you know, and I'll give it to you guys. This next one is, are you positively affecting each other's life? Are you? And guys, I have a big reasons behind doing this, you know, based on my personal life. You know, there's a reason why I choose to do this, because I want to hear what other people thoughts, you know, and this, you know. Yeah. So you're gonna just help me out. Just help me out. Alright. How often do you laugh together with your partner? How often do you laugh more with your partner and fight more and argue more and cuss more? How often? Q&A. You see, this is going to be 22, let me see, 22 questions. So if y'all want to ask me any of these questions, you have to go on my Instagram, Curvyless, and go into my inbox, and in one of these questions that I ask you guys, you want to ask me, you could just store it and I'll do a Q&A next week. Okay? Yes, guys. So I will do a Q&A next week. If you ask me any of these questions, just go to Curvyless on my Instagram and please follow my Instagram page. You know, and guys, please, you can also go over to my sister page at Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. That's VIA Kitchen, no, VIA apostrophe S Kitchen and Lifestyle, and also subscribe. So the next one is, a lot of us maybe, a lot of you guys maybe gonna say this may be irrelevant, but trust me, a lot of these things, it's not. When was the last time you dream about your partner? You know? When was the last time you dream about your partner? You know? These are valid facts, you know, to relationship, you know. Just me. Yeah. And I know about relationship. I was once married. Yeah. Okay. Alright, this one is for you guys to answer, whether man or woman. Well, this is for everybody. Question for everybody, regardless. How often do you talk to your partner on the phone? You know, how often do you talk to your partner on the phone? Hey baby, how you doing? Leave those for Q&As. I'm not gonna get into it with you guys. You know. Miles, I drink juice because you can't talk and I drink. That's just me, you know. Sorry about that, guys. I gotta take a sip. Do you smile when you relate something to your partner about your daily life? You know? Do you guys smile with each other? You know, like some Corey, keep calm. Guys, please subscribe. I tell them to subscribe. Subscribe, okay? Yes, subscribe to my videos. Yeah, so this next one is going to be what minute? Number one should I know? Do you like spending time with your partner, family? That's a big one. That's a very big one. That's a very big one. That's a very big one. This next one. Why do you guys think a man or a woman cheats? Why do you think them cheat? You know? Do you think they cheat because they just want to cheat, or they just cheat because, you know? Comment down below. Why does this one is very interesting for myself? Why does a man or a woman lies to someone about having a partner? Why? 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 You know why I stretch it? It's because of a reason why I stretch it. Why? Okay, I'm gonna leave it right there. How often do you think about your partner? How often do you think about your partner? You're gonna stop flip up. Anyway, doesn't really matter anyway. Whew, guys, I want to load up the comment section, you know, don't play with me. And please subscribe. You know, this is the Curry Gang. Curry Gang, I hope y'all subscribe. Remember, we're on a road to 1,000 subscribers. You know? You know we want to go above that, but we're not play too greedy, so we're on a road to 1,000 subscribers. So let's get there, okay? So this next one is, do you get each other's feelings without the need to say anything? Do you? Do you get each other feelings without the need to say anything? These are some powerful points about relationship. You know? And maybe someone can learn from this, you know? The next one is, what is the best moment in your relationship so far? Are you still smiling, recalling moments, like meaning things that happened before? Do you sit with your partner and laugh like, oh babes, do you still? Alright, so we're at the last 3. Coming on, enjoy the video too long anyway. How do you show that you guys love each other? What wanna do for sure say when you still love each other, you know? You know? Is your relationship about sex? Is your relationship about the S word? Reason why I don't want to use certain tone because you know you might put up your video and say not for kids, but most of these kids smart nowadays, and you know say them not put them right age when them create a account, you know, so them are gonna be on your look through same way, isn't it? How do you show that you love each other? This last one is very powerful. Do you stay with your partner because you want to say that you have a man or in a relationship? Do you stay with your partner just because of that? Let me rephrase it over. Do you stay with your partner just to say that you are in a relationship? Anyway, guys, that was the last question. And I want you guys to please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Corey Goodaz. I'm your girl Corey. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Love you guys. Corey gang. Bye.